All right, we got a brand new Maonocaster, brand new off the box. Let's get this opened. So as you guys can see here, this is the AU AM100, and right out the box you can see this manual, this user manual, and wow, this is really good quality. All right, it's very well protected. I like the foam, pretty thick foam, and this is what it is. It comes with I guess 3.5 aux jack, I want to say, and this may be the power cord. All right, so USB type B to USB type C, more jack cables, and now let's get this beautiful device out of this compartment. And all right, as you can see here, it holds up two mics, XLR two mics, two XLR inputs. Let's see. All right, so off the box, this is really well built. You know, some plastic, some metals, very good. And let's look at the back. All right, USB Type C, monitor, SPK, Pod 1 output, Pod 2 output, aux input, phone input, and mic 2 input. All right. All right, so what we got here is this Maonocaster. I'll set up the AU AM100, and this is the way I set it up. So I have a mic input right here. You have this other two options for XLRs or a quarter inch jack, but I have this 3.5, and then this is a Type C. So this is where the power goes, and it's connected to my computer there, and I'm recording the audio here. So the audio you're hearing right now is exactly how this little podcast mixer, I guess you would say, sounds like. So the mic I am using does not come included with this. This is just this piece right here, and then your USB Type C, and that's pretty much it. This mic does not come included, so I just want to say that out there. But this sounds really good. So you can see that's the mic I'm using, and it sounds pretty good. So what this mixer does is give you little options. So it does have, which is actually very curious for me, but I mean it's kind of surprising too, that it's got auto-tune built into this. Yeah, so it's got a little too much reverb, but as you go along, yeah, yeah, 1 2 1 2, now mic check. So you could hear that reverb. It's pretty the reverb's pretty thick there. But you could go through all the tones, all the keys. Yeah, testing 1 2, yeah. Oh yeah. And then right here, just kidding. And then right here, you go back to studio mode, which is your regular podcast, I guess. And you got other types of reverb. So this effect knob, it's used to control the reverb here. So you go here, and you have your pretty much no reverb, whole lot of reverb. Then you can change the different types. So that's KTV, and then we go to church. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't really sound like
church, but
yeah. Ooh, upset I need. Well, I actually hit the pitch or not, but you'll see that right now. And then we go to hall. You see, it's kind of give you that hall feedback type of thing. See, hall. All right, and then we go to valley. Yeah, see that? You can hear that. Yeah. Okay. Then we go room. I mean, it's not that crazy. So if you hit the female one,
you could talk a little bit like this, and you may or may not sound like a female. It's more like a little, I guess, your robotic AI, I guess, squirrel almost. Kind of robotic, if you tell me. Then you got it real deep with the
male. Yeah, I feel like this is what Cam McAllister used to record that scene and on Wow, it's my favorite movie. Oh, Home Alone. There you go. Home Alone 2, actually. Yes, this is Mr. McAllister. And then you got
Baby. So, yeah. I mean, I guess you could sound like a baby, but I'm not sure. And then
you got your robot, which is a more deep pitch. So that's weird. But yes, back to normal. So what you do is you can either unclick this,
and then you talk normal, or if you're on any of these effects,
for example, let's go back to mail. You can use this knob right here that says pitch. I don't know if you can see that, but then you go and you move this.
this. So
see, the more higher it is, the more high pitch you get.
you go back to middle, that's normal.
So you all the way down is slow. Okay. So yeah,
That's pretty awesome. This is your monitor volume. So pretty much if you have anything hooked up like I do, I have my headphones on right now. This you control the volume right here. And then mix is pretty much the volume for the whole thing right here. Pretty much like the whole mix. If you to have like your phone, any auxiliary inputs, anything like that, this will be the mix for it. You either go all the way to your left or right the way to your right, depending on what you got. And then you get higher again. So this is pretty much your volume. So that's what it is. I mean, as long as you're not redlining here, it's pretty good. You know, you can have it all the way, so you can get that nice, I guess, clear audio. But so far so good, you know. So you do have two mic puts. This is my mic volume. Yeah, mic volume. So that's mic volume. You get gains on the mics right here. Yeah. So you don't be redlining. Sorry. And then obviously the same thing for the other mic that I do not have connected. And also you get a little somewhat of like I guess you could say sample effects. So you have
a few moments later.
So that's pretty loud. That was even louder. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta put a little more volume here and get like there. Okay.
Okay.
All right, that sounds good. Okay, that was pretty weird. Nothing there. I guess you could add more stuff to these at the end. Oh, what in the world? So I guess your bleep. You gotta be kidding me. But it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is pretty fun. You know, you connect it. You could start your own podcast. Like I said, as long as you get sorry for that. Whoa. Okay. As long as you get like some sort of interest in this, again, this would be a good way to start a podcast. If it's just by yourself, you connect one mic. If you can have two people, you have other options for 2 mics, 3 mics. And yeah, I mean, I'm just recording simply just this voice through sound record on my computer. I am running Windows, but I mean, you could just pretty much do anything like an ABS studio if you're gonna do some Twitch lives, or maybe just a regular podcast and could just upload it to, you know, iTunes, Spotify, whatever it is. But this is actually pretty good. So yeah, I mean, thanks. Oh, actually, I'm gonna show you guys the back right. See, it's got a USB for the power. It's got monitor, SPK, a pot 1 output, a pot 2 output, an aux input, phone. Like I said, that's for your phone, but normally nobody really uses jack inputs anymore or jacks at all. So I mean, most ones are Bluetooth, but I mean, I guess there'll be a way to work that out, right? And then these are your mics right here. Like I said, I am connected with the mic right here. It's a 3.5 jack. And the cool thing about this is that it has the noise option. So I have it on. And as you can see, you can somewhat hear the background. But as soon as I turn it back on, boom, it's gone. So this is actually pretty good. And then, like I said, my headphones are coming out from right here. By Maonocaster. Professional audio innovation. So yeah, if you want to start a podcast, I would suggest buying one of these. And it gets the job done real good. So that is all for today. Thank you guys very much.